If you're looking for a highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about gold. Now, why do I want to speak about gold? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, then going down on the lower ones. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just created a very strong impulse to the upside, followed by this complex correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if you do that, what we can see is that the market has just retraced exactly to the 0.618 of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which the market tested the first time here, again here. Then the market went for the test of the 50%, basically moving step by step by testing the Fibonacci levels. And at the moment, everything seems pretty bullish for a continuation to the upside and possibly even for the creation of a new monthly higher high. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? What we can see here is that the market tested the previous support and demand that we had in this area, which was against here support and demand. The market rejected it to the upside and has now broken above two quite important resistance zones. And if we drop down on the daily time frame, we can see how at the moment we're starting to create a new impulse. And after the creation of a new impulse, what we can expect is a correction before the continuation to the upside. So if we will have today a successful break and close in 11 hours and 49 minutes above this resistance, this previous resistance should be turned support here. And what we should get at that point is a retest of this previous resistance turned support and then a rejection higher. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market, are doing. And we check the data specifically for gold. What we can see here is that with the last report, we have seen once again net positions starting to increase. We went from having 172 to having 186k net positions, with 10.9k shorts closed with the last report and 3.5k longs getting added, reaching 279.5k long positions and only 92k shorts from an institutional perspective. So if this impulse will get completed and we will then have a correction back to this previous resistance turn support, inside of here there is the possibility to be looking for a potential longing opportunity. And the way in which we would be approaching that with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, after the break on the retest, inside of here, we would be monitoring price action with students from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to potentially complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We are currently running a special promotion, And obviously in the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also get a daily market breakdown every day showing you which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers every single day. So it's a very interesting program and complete program. The link is in the description. To find out more about the special promotion, go and check it out, and I will see you in it.